If you're running an e-commerce store and using a product quiz to engage customers, you've made a smart move. But what if your quiz isn't delivering the results you expected? In today's video, I'll share the top reasons your product quiz might not be converting and, of course, how to fix them. Let's dive in. Mistake 1. No clear goals. If you don't know what you want your quiz to achieve, it's like shooting in the dark. Are you aiming to boost sales, gather data, or just entertain your audience? Without a goal, your quiz will feel directionless. To fix it, decide what you want your quiz to achieve. For sales, ask questions that guide users to products they'll love. For data collection, use the quiz to gather emails and preferences. Pro tip: use metrics like conversion rates or average order value to measure success. Mistake 2. Your questions are boring. If your quiz feels like homework, users won't finish it. Long, generic, or irrelevant questions can frustrate customers. To fix it, use visuals like images, videos, or GIFs to spice it up. Keep questions short and fun. Add interactive elements like progress bars or instant feedback. Mistake 3. Results are too generic. Recommending too many products can overwhelm users and hurt conversions. Plus, if your results don't feel personalized, users will feel like they wasted their time. To fix it, recommend a single product or a complete routine that fits the customer's needs. Highlight why your products are perfect for them. Mistake 4. Weak calls to action, CTAs. If users don't know what to do next, they won't take action. A vague or hidden CTA is a missed opportunity. To fix it, use strong CTAs like Shop Now or Get Your Results. Experiment with different placements and designs to see what works. Make your CTAs stand out with bold colors or clear positioning. Mistake 5. No follow-up. The quiz interaction shouldn't stop at the results page. Without follow-ups, you're leaving money on the table. To fix it, send personalized emails with quiz results and exclusive offers. Use retargeting ads to remind users about their recommendations. Pro tip: with tools like the Shop Quiz app, you can automate follow-up emails or integrate them with your CRM. Let's recap. Here's how you can turn your quiz into a conversion machine. Define clear goals. Make your quiz visually appealing and engaging. Offer personalized, specific results. Use strong CTAs to guide users. Follow up to stay top of mind. For more e-commerce tips and tricks, visit revenuehunt.com/blog. Leave a comment below with your quiz challenges. We'd love to help you out. See you in the next video.